Welcome to this tutorial on how to find someone on Twitter by phone number. Here are the steps to follow. First, open the Twitter app on your phone or tablet. The app icon features a bluebird and tapping it will open the app. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of your screen. This will prompt a menu to slide out from the left. Then, tap Settings and Privacy. You'll find this near the bottom of the menu. Tap Privacy and Safety. This menu option is near the middle of the menu next to an icon of a shield. Tap Discoverability and Contacts. It's at the bottom of the Your Twitter Activity section next to a magnifying glass with an avatar icon in the middle. Tap the switch next to Sync Address Book Contacts to turn it on. If the app asks for permissions to access your contacts, tap Allow to continue. In case this switch is already on when you navigate here, tap it twice to turn it off and back on. Turning it off will not remove current Twitter contacts, but turning it on again will prompt Twitter to search your contacts to find any new phone numbers that are linked to an account. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can find someone on Twitter by their phone number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.